Naples. I'm so excited. Welcome to the next vlog. Hi.
Welcome.
I hope you're having a great day. We have made it. We can't go into our rooms until noon, and it's like almost maybe like 9 a.m. and we got off the boat. It was super easy, so now we're gonna go to the cafe. Woo! We're at the cafe now. We're getting breakfast, and these apparently is their coordinates that are like staples of Naples.
Yeah.
Staples of Naples.
Yeah.
What's in these ones?
It's custard cream and black cherry cream.
Oh, that sounds really good. I'm super excited. Now we are sitting at a cafe, another one. It's literally not even 10 a.m. and I've had 2 coffees. Hopefully you can hear me okay. Like I said, I didn't bring my camera with me this time because, you know, I didn't want to risk getting it stolen. But yeah, we're just hanging out. We're kind of thinking about where to eat lunch just in general. And yeah. Hope you're having a good day. I think we're gonna go to another castle somewhere. Rap said there was another castle somewhere around here, so we might go over there, and yeah, I'll show you there if we end up going. You guys, here it is. This is the one and only Napoleon pizza. I'm so excited. I can't talk too loud because there's a lot of people in here, so. Wow, oh my goodness. That's really good.
I know it is.
Oh, it's super good. Wow, that's really good. I can see why Naples pizza is like considered like the best because it's actually really good.
And they invented it. It's not.
It's so good, guys. All right, you guys, we got it to our room. Here it is. So cute.
Hello.
Hello. This is our room. It's so cute. Look, we have like a little sitting area over here. Here's the bed, and then a nice kind of just like desk. And then we have, I actually haven't explored all of this yet. So in here, oh my gosh, it's blue. This is cool. Oh my gosh. I actually really like this. Is so cool.
This is posh. Oh, it changes color.
It changes color.
Oh, nice.
I can't wait to take a shower.
I'm sorry.
Here we go.
Yes.
And oh my gosh, you guys, this is so nice. And then I think this is like a little closet with a nice safe in there.
Yeah, look at that.
And then we have like a little fridge. I think we have to pay for those though. I think it's like a mini.
That's fine.
And then we have a little, I actually might make some tea right now, to be honest. And then you guys, look, this is the best part. We have a balcony. Look at this, you guys. And then there's the sea. And then you can see this over here is a volcano, we think. We believe it's, what kind of volcano is it? Vesuvio volcano. Look at that, and you can see the sea. Oh my goodness. I love this so much, and I genuinely cannot wait to come out here and like have coffee in the morning or something. This is gonna be so nice. So as you can tell, I am quite happy with this room and I think it's beautiful. I don't actually know what we're gonna be doing for the rest of the day. I think that Raf's, is it your cousin or your uncle?
My cousin.
His cousin, Claudio, is gonna take us around maybe to dinner or something like that, but we shall see. I will keep you posted, but right now I'm going to lay down because I'm so tired. I got my first gelato in Naples. It looks so nice. I got, what did I get?
Well, it's difficult to explain really because they are like really Italian things. They're based on Italian sweets. One is like fetta al latte. It's like chocolate and cream.
Yeah.
And the other one, I don't actually remember. Was it baiocchi maybe? Grazie.
I don't remember,
like
but
an
it looks
Italian
really,
biscuit,
really
yeah.
good. Like, it looks great. We're off to get dinner now, y'all. We're actually meeting up with one of Raf's cousins. And he's taking us to dinner. I'm so excited. And this area right here is so pretty.